Hi there. In this video, we're doing a West Coast swing move. We call it a kickball cross to a hip catch. We taught it at Monroe Hall, and we'll show what it looks like. So we started with the sugar. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so Dick will break that down for you.
Okay, leaders, what we're going to do is we're going to do a kickball cross, and I'm going to lead that with my hands. I'll face the camera. 1, 2. Notice what I do with my hands. That is going to indicate to the lady to step back with me so we get hip to hip. Right now I'm facing her. I'm going to step straight back and then toward the curtain here. 1 on 2. We settle into that rear foot. That's my right, her left. She matches me. I can stop on 2. 1, 2. Now, this foot's available. Her forward foot is available. We're going to use that foot to do the kick. It's not a kick. It shushes along the floor. Same foot comes back to the ball of the foot, and we transfer the weight. So without stopping, I've gone 1 step back, 2, kick, ball, cross in front.
Okay, can I say a couple things? In the class that we taught, number one, the guys were thinking that they could just do the move without doing the hands. The follower needs the hands to know that you want her to turn. 1, 2.
So I make a big deal about that.
So
I rolled the thumb to my left.
And we always call it like I'm a little teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. So
that's on count 2.
So
Here's 1, roll it on 2. She should step back with you to match you.
The other problem we had in the class is the students didn't realize that this foot, all of my weight is on my back foot and Dick's too. And that you're going to kick with the same foot that is pointed forward. So you're just going to kick towards the floor. Then it was and 4, I believe. So
it looks like this.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
There we are. Now, I'm going to undo my hands. They're already like this. I'm going to flip them to upright as I finish that. 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to go 5 and 6. Side, step, cross in front. And I've taken my hands just like I would a nightclub 2-step about here. I'm going to lead them here. This is a side, step, crossover. Side, step together, crossover. Side, step together, crossover. Side, step together, crossover. You can do all that with your hands out. So the count, we went to 12. Looks like this so far.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12.
I want to make sure I favor the partner over. Give her a prep out here because she is now going to pass by my left shoulder. I'm doing 2 walks with a wrap. Walk 1, walk 2, left hand up, right hand low, 3 and 4. I'm going to unwrap really fast, and with this hand, it's going to stay in front. Other hand lets go and catches a hip as I go step, step, step. So that's the hip catch.
Okay, so let's do that hip
So we'll
catch
do
again.
that much. So she's over here, I'm crossed over. It's 2 walks in to the wrap, then the unwrap.
1, 2,
Here's the
3,
wrap.
and 4,
In place for
5,
me.
and 6, and you bring
Now,
6 forward.
Yes, I've drawn the lady forward because I want her to have weight on that left foot. I'm putting weight on my right foot. We're gonna go from here into a whip configuration with a triple step. That's gonna be a reverse turn for the girl, which means she goes away from you guys. So send her away and I'll run around, watch this. Left, right, left. So now I'm just like I would be on count 4 of any whip. I'm just gonna finish the whip for step, step, triple step. So let's go over what we have from here. I've crossed over. This is the wrap, unwrap, finish like a whip. Walk, walk, wrap, unwrap, step, 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 walk, walk, triple step.
So let's do the whole thing and then we'll do it from different angles.
All right, so I have a two-hand hold. I'm going into the little teapot thing. One step at a two.
3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12.
Here's the wrap.
1, 2, 3 and
Here's the
4,
hip catch.
5 and 6,
Finished
7
like a
and
whip.
8, 9, 10, 11 and 12.
12 and do a sugar after that.
Let's do it from a different angle. Let's do it
My
from
back to
here.
the camera?
No, let's do it right here. So I'm going to show the follower's footwork. So I don't know if it'll work from here. So go ahead. 1, 2, here's 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. He's given me a path right here, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm going to do an inside roll, 3 and 4. I'm in a cuddle. What he's going to do is he's going to pull his hand right here at my waist, and is that
My right hand.
his right hand. I'm going to do a coaster step or just turn around, but I have 3 steps
I'm
to
going
do
to
it.
catch the hip with my left hand.
Coaster
Like that.
step. So I'm
Okay.
going to show my footwork again. So here I am. He's going to pull his left hand, you said?
Right hand
His
is
right
low.
hand. And I'm going to step forward, forward, step together, forward.
And remember, I pull her forward so she puts weight on that.
Okay, so here I am on count 4. I'm going to go nice and slow, Dick. 5 and 6. And
And
then,
again, I put some weight on my forward foot.
so here I am. I'm going to go back here. Here's my 6. Here's my 6. He's going to give me a reverse turn, 6.
I'm going to toss. I'm going to pull with my hip. Pull the hip on me with my left hand.
And
And I'm going to go around to face her.
I'm going to go 7
Left,
and
right,
8.
left for my 7 and 8. Then we're going to finish that whip for 9,
10, 11, and 12.
So let's put it all together from a different angle.
Okay, so, okay, let's do it
Put
from
my
here.
back to the camera.
All right, here we go.
Okay, we're going to do it without stopping, so check it out.
1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I think it ended up being 2 12 counts. Let's try it
Here we
out.
go from this angle.
1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12.
So there you have it.
All right, thanks for taking our class. See you later.